Hey everybody and welcome. It's awesome to be here with you. I'm so excited because what I'm about to share with you, I've been working on behind the scenes for over 2 years. And we're going to get started in just a minute, but I want to make sure that you can hear me. I want to make sure that you can see me so that way I'm actually sharing this with you and not just with me. So just let me know, type in the chat box either yes or got it or your name and where you're from if you can both hear my voice and see my screen. And my screen should be a headline and my handsome image on the right hand side. And so if you can see that stuff, go ahead and let me know. We're gonna get started in just a minute, and I'm super pumped about what we're gonna go over because I think you're gonna be blown away by this, not only by what this is gonna be able to do for you, but about how valuable this is and how the timing for this really is absolutely perfect. You are in the exact right place at the exact right time right now. And okay, I see, yes, John. Okay, awesome. All right, so it looks like I'm definitely coming through loud and clear, which is awesome. And so again, what we're gonna be going over today is how to start your own 6-figure design agency in minutes without any team, skills, experience, or capital, using the world's first software that actually designs graphics for you, and it also designs them for your clients. I mean, that's awesome, right? Think about how awesome that is for a second. And so I'm just pumped, and we're gonna go through this. With that said, let's jump in and get rolling. All right, so as we jump into this, let's start by just talking about who is this training for, right? So of course it's for you if you want to just make visual content, if you already know that. But also if you want to generate traffic online, if you want to engage your visitors, if you want to get viral sharing, if you want to be able to build a brand or make sales online, maybe you want to grow a social following, you want to become an influencer, start an online business, or even just generically sort of make money online, this is exactly what you're looking for. Now, because you're here, I'm going to assume that you know how important visual content is, right? And why everyone online needs it. But just to put it to facts, so we're not just talking about hunches or gut feels, we remember only 10% of the message that we hear if it's not followed by an image, according to Finances Online. I mean, that's astounding, isn't it? 10% of the message if it isn't followed by an image. So if that message came with an infographic or a visual aid of some kind, we retain up to 65% after 3 days. That's the power of visual content, right? Social media posts with visuals have a 650% higher performance than those without images. So tweets that have an image attached have 150% more retweets. Facebook posts have a mind-blowing 230% higher engagement if they have visual content. Blog posts, those with images, generate double the amount of traffic. And 92.6% of consumers reported their purchase decision-making was influenced by color. So all of this stuff, we're talking about visual design, we're talking about graphics, right? You can see the profound impact that it has on every type of performance online, from engagement to social sharing and viral traffic to actual purchases and making sales. It's all connected to visual content. Also, the human brain processes images 60,000 times faster than text. So even if you have the greatest message to say, if it's all in text, it's going to take people a lot of commitment to be able to figure it out. If you can say it with an image, you can do it much more effectively and reach a lot more people. 75% of people form opinions of websites based on visual content. Think about that for a second, right? No matter what product or service or company you're offering, they're making a decision based on the visual content. So how it looks matters, and it matters a lot. In addition to that, 94% of first impressions are design related. So there you go, 94%. 94% of people say that their first impression are design related. And so it's pretty clear and safe to say that no matter what you're trying to do online, whether you want to get attention, whether you want to drive traffic, you want to engage visitors, you want to get viral sharing, you you want to build a brand or make sales, or maybe all of those. Visual content is the key that unlocks it all. Because without great visual content, you're going to struggle. It's really that simple. So we all know that we need the visual content and lots of it, but creating it is another story, right? Normally you have a couple of choices, okay? So you could spend weeks learning Photoshop, and then you still, even if you can figure that out, you still need actual design skills. I mean, that's a tool, but if you don't have a good aesthetic and you don't understand how, colors and all these other things work together, your designs still aren't going to look good. You could outsource and you could spend hundreds of dollars on each design and wait days or weeks, right? I mean, there are obviously designers out there that are really talented. They're great at what they do, but you're going to pay for every single design because you're paying for their time. And you have to wait. And if they're busy because they're good, you're going to wait even longer. You could use online design apps, right? There are a bunch of online design apps now, but the problem is you still need to be the designer unless you want the same tired template that everyone else is using, right? So, the online design apps, they're certainly cheaper and they're faster than Photoshop or outsourcing. But because you need to edit the canvas, it's still going to take you time. It's still going to take you an eye for aesthetics and an understanding of color palettes and ultimately creativity, right? I mean, the template might look cool, but when you end up being the designer anyway, if you're like me and, this is how I figured this all out, it's a problem because I'm not creative. Art was literally my worst class in school, no joke. When I try to make my own designs, they literally look like a 10-year-old made them. I'm not making that up. And, I think, on a funny side note, unfortunately I passed my terrible art skills to my kids because when I went into school for Parents' Night and other things, I could always tell which project was theirs hanging up on Parents' Night because it was the worst one. I could pick it out in a second without even reading the names on the bottom of them. I mean, don't get me wrong, because it was theirs, I loved it. But, it's not going to win any design contest or anything like that. And it certainly isn't going to be generating any traffic or building an online brand. So when I tried online design apps, what ended up happening is, amazingly, somehow I was able to take a good-looking professional template, edit it, and actually make it look worse than the original. So that was no help either, right? So it's talent if you can take something good and actually make it look like crap, but I did it. So to take something that looks good and make it worse, well, yeah, maybe. Anyway, so out of frustration, when I didn't see any answer out there, I decided to make one. I knew that I couldn't be the only one with this problem. So over the past couple of years, I've had software created that actually designs for you, and it will design for your clients too. And I'm going to show that to you in a minute. But in case you don't know me, let me just give you a quick background. My name is Brett Ingram, and I've been creating software for the last 15 years. Specifically, software that's designed to simplify and automate stuff that we all need to do online. I take a lot of pride in making apps that help people, and I get ideas from the same problems that I have that I know other people must have too, right? So I've done traffic apps, I've done social media apps, video creation apps, and the graphic design app that I'm about to show you. And just so you know, my stuff is good, and that I know how to make software. Here's a picture of me with a bunch of awards I won as a product creator, and I was also featured in a New York Times bestselling author's book, which is really cool. Now, what I'm about to show you, I want you to know this wasn't easy to create. It was actually super complicated to make it work, and it took a lot of reworking. I had to go back and forth when I didn't like how it was working and really adjust the logic to really understand how this was going to create great looking designs, because I knew at the end of the day, it wasn't about how clever it was. It was about how effective it was at actually making you great designs that you can use. So are you ready to see it? Are you ready to see how to start your own six-figure design agency in minutes without any team, skills, experience, or capital, using the world's first software that designs graphics for you and for your clients too? All right, let's do it. Let's jump right in. Introducing Spinzign. So let me switch to my screen so I can show you exactly how awesome this is. I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to get thousands of stunning graphic designs created for you and for your clients too, with Spinzign. So instead of wasting time making visual content or spending money to outsource it, you can save time and make money with your own pure profit graphic design agency, even if you have zero design skills or experience. Start with any of the hundreds of included unique graphic templates in all the hottest niches, or even start with a blank canvas. Then customize anything and everything in seconds with drag and drop ease. Backgrounds, shapes, accents, bullets, buttons, characters, lighting, stickers, overlays, photos, artwork, masks, and more. You get a built-in library of thousands of visual elements, or upload your own and add them to your designs. Choose from 100+ designer fonts to add and edit text. Move, resize, rotate, change colors or transparency, and even add drop shadow or glow to any visual element in seconds. When you're done, choose what elements to replace, and in one click, watch the amazing Spinzign AI create a whole new set of stunning designs for you automatically in seconds. Save any designs you like to the cloud or download them. And every design created for you is also 100% customizable, so you can load them onto the canvas and edit them too. Use the Spinzign AI as much as you want. Create 10, 100, even 1,000 new designs from any one automatically. And it gets even better because the Spinzign AI will also automatically resize any graphic into 18 different sizes in one click. So you can create all the unique designs you want in all of the sizes and formats you need for anything and everything, like social media posts, websites, ads, and more. And you can use the designs yourself or even sell them to clients for pure profit. Spinzign is like having your own in-house graphic design team, but better, faster, and without all the headaches and huge overhead cost. Download your designs and use them wherever you want, or even post them to your favorite social media channels right inside the Spinzign dashboard. Get ready to generate thousands of graphic designs in just a few clicks for yourself and for your clients, and to save both time and money, plus make money at the same time from your own pure profit graphic design agency with Spinzign. So isn't that awesome? I mean, yeah, I absolutely love it, and I know you're going to love it too. So the thing is, with Spinzign, you can make your own designs with complete flexibility. But you can also let the software make the designs for you, which means that you could forget Photoshop. You could stop spending money and wasting time with freelancers and create more visual content faster and easier than with any other design app. And it doesn't stop there, because you get a commercial license too. So you can actually use Spinzign to start your own 100% profit graphic design agency. Use the software to make designs automatically in minutes, then sell them to clients. Make as many as you want, sell as many as you want, make as much money as you want. So you can save time and money and work with Spinzign, and you can make money with it too. Now you might be asking, okay, yeah, that's awesome, but how much opportunity is there really for a design agency? Well, globally, graphic design was worth $45.8 billion in 2021. And 73% of companies invest in design for brand differentiation. So they understand companies who spend more money to become design driven are 69% more likely to exceed their business goals. Even big businesses understand that it's all about visual content and design. And yet, despite the obvious huge need and demand for design, here's the kicker. Producing graphic design assets consistently is the biggest challenge for companies. It's the biggest challenge for companies. I mean, how awesome is that? Because what that means is what you see right here. And that is, according to Venngage, most companies would like to automate their graphic design. So the design industry is huge at $45 billion. Companies are spending money on design. Producing visual content and design assets is consistently people's biggest challenge, and most companies want to automate design. So how much opportunity is there with a design agency? Virtually unlimited. Everyone wants design. Everyone spends money on design, and everyone wishes they get more designs faster and easier. And Spinzign is like having your own creative and design team in a box. Wow, right? I mean, wow. So again, you can save time, money, and work with Spinzign, and you can make money with it too. And because you're on this special training webinar, you're gonna get Spinzign, and you're gonna get 4 upgrades: the super upgrade, the video upgrade, the agency upgrade, and the reseller upgrade. The demo that I showed you was just for the main level of Spinzign. The upgrades add so much value, it'll take your designs, earning potential, and results to a whole new level. Let's jump back in and do another quick demo so you can see the full power and potential for you. Let me switch back to my screen and show this to you. So I've only showed you what the basic level of Spinzign gives you, but with the upgrades, you can take it to a whole new level. So the first thing that you're going to get is the super upgrade, and that's going to include hundreds of more built-in templates. So in all the hottest niches, we're going to preload hundreds of additional templates in there that you can drag and drop and you can customize in just one click. The next thing is when you use the AI engine to redesign the graphics for you, it'll create 12 new designs with every one click. So awesome upgrades already. On top of that, you're also going to be able to translate any slide into any other language so you can go international with your business. It'll automatically detect the source language. You just go ahead and click the language that you want to convert it into, and then automatically the software will go in and translate the slide for you. So now you have a graphic in another language. You can take your business international just that fast and easy. You're also going to get thousands of new elements added to the actual elements library. So all of these various elements are going to include more as well, preloaded into the software. And you're also now going to be able to import millions of images instantly from Pixabay, royalty-free images that you can use in your designs in seconds just by typing in a keyword and then scrolling down, finding the image that you want. You can go ahead and click on that, download it directly to your design, and you can integrate it just that fast and easy. And so you can import millions of images in literally a few clicks from Pixabay. You're also going to get the background image remover tool and also the image mask tool. So basically what we can do is we imported this cat. Now if I want to make this a circle or a square, I can just click on circle, and it's going to go ahead. I can put the circle over where I want it. I can click crop, and now I've got the circular kitty that I can put anywhere on my design. And so that's also going to be built in. Then if I want to be able to remove a particular color, I can click on something. I can click on a color that I want to remove, and I can go ahead and remove that from my design as well. All I have to do is click the enable, and you can see that I was able to remove that color directly from the design. You're also going to get a ton of bonuses, and that's just the first upgrade, the super upgrade. Now you're also going to get the video upgrade. And what the video upgrade is going to let you do is if we go in here and we just grab one of these slides, you're going to be able to actually create animated and slideshow GIFs, which is a super, super cool feature. So basically we load any design here on the canvas, then we can go down to effects, we can do GIF, and it's going to open this bar at the bottom. And so I can go ahead and click on this to load the slide onto the GIF. I can edit how long this particular one is going to play for. I can duplicate it and I can delete it. Now I can go ahead and pick another template. So let's just say I wanted to pick another one here, and we're just going to put this one here too. And I can go ahead and click on this. In this particular way, I'm going to be able to create one that's sort of like a slideshow where it's going to show one thing after another after another. So if I just go ahead and I pick one more and I put these slides on here, what's going to happen is it's going to play each of these. I have them each playing for 1 second. I go over here to settings, and then let's go ahead and put it in our highest resolution, highest quality, and click OK. And it's going to go ahead and create that GIF for us. You'll see it render in real time while it does this, and then it's going to output the GIF for us. So we're going to be able to check that out and see how it creates actual motion graphics directly inside Spinzign. Now we just give it a name, and we can go ahead and download that. And now if we go ahead and open that up, you'll see that it plays as an actual motion GIF. So that's one way to use the GIF creator, and that's super awesome. But there's also something else that's really, really cool that you can do. So let's go ahead and let's just refresh everything. And let's go back to templates. There's another really, really cool way to use this where you can actually create animation GIFs. So we're gonna go ahead and choose a template again. And then we're gonna go down and we're gonna open our GIF creator. We're gonna add one. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually spin the color. And I could make the manual change, but I'm gonna actually have the software do it for me. So I could be lazy. I'm gonna load that, and then I'm gonna add that one. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spin that again. And let's go ahead and take, let's see, a green one. And we'll add that. And then I guess let's go ahead and we'll do it one more time, just to give you the full effect for how this is gonna work. And we'll go with the, well, let's go with the purple. And then we're gonna add that. So again, these are all set for 1 second. You can set them for whatever you want. Let's go over here to settings, and let's maximize our GIF, and then click OK, and then let's export that. And now what you're gonna notice is this is more of an animation style GIF, because instead of it showing like a slideshow where it shows a bunch of different slides, we're essentially looking at the same slide, but with changes made to it, right? So here you go. And that makes it look as though it's animation because it's changing the color. And so you have an unlimited ability to create tremendous motion graphics. So it's really that simple. In addition to the awesome GIFs, you're also going to be able to create stunning stop action videos with Spinzign. So we're going to go in here to this and click on cinematic, and then we can actually search from YouTube. We can upload our own video or choose one from the included video library. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just upload my own. And then we could preview the video here, and we could choose the start time and the end time that we want to grab. So we'll just say from 1 second to 6 seconds, we'll do choose this video. And it's going to load a still on here. Then what we can do is create a mask. And so you can change the size of the mask right here. And basically what we're going to do is just take one area of the video and we're going to erase it. And what that's going to allow us to do is show stop action video for just the part we erased. Then we click render. And by the way, you could add all kinds of elements to this too. I could have added images, anything from the graphics library can be added right on top of this. Now we go ahead and click play. You can see how it creates stunning stop action videos directly inside Spinzign. And again, you can download this. You can post this directly to social media just like you can with the GIFs and just like you can with the images with Spinzign. And that's just the super and the video upgrade. You're also going to get the agency upgrade, which includes done for you proposals, templates, and onboarding documents for working with new clients, contracts, and everything else you need to look professional and land new clients. A done for you portfolio website that you're going to be able to go ahead and showcase all of your designs and get new clients from it. Automatic client finding software, where literally right inside your Spinzign dashboard, you type in some information about clients that you're looking for, some search terms, boom, it pulls up a list of clients that you can go ahead and get and charge them unlimited amounts to generate graphics and motion graphics for them. You also get unlimited cloud design storage for all of yours and your clients' projects. And you also get the ability to add multiple social media profiles. So you can even add your clients' social media profiles to Spinzign, create graphics, and post them on their behalf all in one. You also get the ability to add team members to your Spinzign account. So you can have virtual admins, you can have team members, you can have business partners, whatever, in there helping you to run as large an agency as you want. Then you also get the reseller upgrade, where you can actually resell the Spinzign software itself. The high converting video sales letter, the high converting sales page, all of the demo videos and all of the things that cause it to be such a hot seller already. You get to use all of that stuff yourself, and it's all hands-free. All you do is promote and collect. We handle all of the back office. We handle all the software updates. We handle all the billing. We handle all of the customer support. You just do the promotion and you get paid for every sale that you make. It's awesome. And that is also included in the Spinzign upgrade. So you can see how the Spinzign upgrade take it to a whole new level. So again, you can see that Spinzign can save you time, money, and work, and you can make money with it too. And the upgrades take it to a whole new level. Let's quickly recap the upgrades. So obviously you get Spinzign Commercial, and that comes with a huge library of professional templates, thousands of visual elements in the library. You can create 5 unique versions of any design automatically in a click. You can make millions of unique designs automatically, intuitive drag and drop editor, all of the stuff that you normally get, plus a ton of bonuses, okay? Then with the upgrades, you're gonna get the super upgrade. And that is gonna give you the ability to create 500 million customizable designs automatically. You get hundreds more stunning built-in 100% customizable done-for-you templates. You can now create 12 unique versions of any design in one click. You get one-click text translation into tons of different languages, so you can go international and take your business and your designs international to dominate those markets too. You get 1,000 plus more visual elements added to the library, and you get one-click import of over 1 million visual elements, royalty-free elements that you can import directly into Design Biz and use in your designs in one click. You get the background and color removal tool. You get the image frame creator tool, one-click social posting, scheduling, broadcasting, and of course, the commercial license and a ton of bonuses. That's a total value of $6,750. Then you get the video upgrade, which gives you the automated slideshow and animation GIF creator, the advanced stop action video creator, unlimited animation, slideshow, image GIFs, and stop action videos that you can make for you and your clients. One-click image to 100% customized GIF creator, unlimited free mini video GIF and traffic, unlimited free stop action video traffic, one-click publishing to all the social media platforms, use and apply anywhere on the web, and a ton of bonuses there also. That's a total value of $9,720. Then you get the agency upgrade with the automated client finding software by niche and location, the Done-For-You Professional Easy Edit Agency website, the client getting onboarding and getting paid email templates, create and sell unlimited visual content and designs, create and sell unlimited slideshow and animation GIFs, create and sell unlimited stop action videos, posting, scheduling, broadcasting, and syndication system for you and your clients, unlimited cloud design storage for your designs and your client's design. You get agency access where you can add team members, virtual admins, whatever else you want, outsourcers to your account to get more done faster, build your agency even bigger, and make even more profit. And you get to keep 100% of the profits from every design you sell. Plus, you get a ton of bonuses for that level also, and that's a total value of $6,350. Then, on top of all that, you get the reseller upgrade, which gives you the ability to sell unlimited copies of Design Biz itself and keep 100% of the front end sales. You get the Done For You Design Biz high converting sales page, Done For You Design Biz professional video sales letter, Done For You Design Biz engaging demo video, Done For You sales generating email marketing swipes, Done For You stunning promo banners and graphics. And we take care of all the back office, the app maintenance, we take care of customer support, we take care of billing and commissions, we take care of all of those things. Done For You software updates. It's a complete extra source of income for you without creating a single design. And you get a ton of bonuses at that level too. That's a total value of $10,350. So all in, that's a total value of $34,731. So with Spinzign and all 4 upgrades, the super upgrade, the video upgrade, the agency upgrade, and the reseller upgrade, that's a total value of $34,731. And with everything you're getting, you can get rid of unreliable freelancers, thousands in design outsource costs, paying more for every new design every time you need one, waiting days or weeks for designs and then hoping that they're any good, and any other design worries. Because you don't need any of that stuff anymore. You are in control of your own design. So you can already save thousands and a ton of time and headaches right up front. So again, you're getting Spinzign Commercial. It's a $3,650 value. You're getting Spinzign Super Upgrade with hundreds more done-for-you templates, 1,000 plus more visual elements in the design library, one-click import of 1 million visual elements, create 12 unique designs from any one-click translate to over 100 languages to go international, background remover tool, frame creator tool. That's a $4,661 value. The Spinzign video upgrade with the automatic slideshow and animated GIF creator, the advanced stop action video creator, and the built-in video library. That's a $9,721 value. You're getting the Spinzign agency upgrade with the automatic client finding software, the Done For You professional agency website, and the Done For You agency proposals and agreements. That's a $6,350 value. You're getting the Spinzign reseller upgrade with the reseller license, proven high converting sales website, Done For You promo tools, emails, and graphics. That's a $10,350 value, plus all the bonuses from every level. That's a total value of $34,731. Woo! Wow. Now, obviously, I'm not going to charge you guys $34,000, but I have a question for you. Let's just say that I charge you 10% of that, or $3,400. If all this did was save you thousands per year and weeks of waiting on outsourcing graphic designs, would it be worth it? If all this did was let you create all the visual content you need forever, would it be worth it? If all this did was give you unlimited profit potential by making 100% of every design you sell, and even from selling DesignBiz itself, would it be worth it? Because here's the thing, if this saves you thousands on what you'd spend already, in reality, it doesn't actually cost you anything. So you could see why this is a screaming good deal at $2,000, because that's already a savings of over 94%. And you're saving on the tools and services you don't need anymore also. Now, because you're on this webinar, you're going to get access to everything that we talked about. Unlimited access to Spinzign Commercial and all 4 upgrades, the super upgrade, the video upgrade, the agency upgrade, and the reseller upgrade for just one payment of $297. That's a savings of over 98%, and it's only a fraction of what it's actually worth. And I'm so sure that you're going to love this that I'm going to back it with a full 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. Sign up today. If you don't like it for any reason, just let me know. We'll give you your money back. You don't have to make that decision today. You have 30 days to try it out and decide whether you like it or not. Sign up now. Use the software. Use the upgrades. Make designs. Make GIFs. Make stop action videos. Sell designs. Make profits even. Use it as much as you want for 30 days. And 30 days from now, decide if it's worth $297. If it's not, we'll refund 100% of your money. I created this software to fill a need that I had, and I'm sharing it because I think it can really help you too. But don't take my word for it. Just try it out. Go in there and see. You have 30 days. If you don't like it, I'll give you your money back. If you're like most people, you're going to love it. So don't make that decision today. Make it 30 days from now. So the real question is it worth a few minutes of your time to check this out? Which, if it does even half of what I claim today on this training, will pay for itself as soon as you make your first few designs. Now, hang on a second. I want to do something really special. If you know me, then you know I'm a very big believer in taking action. I know that when I started out, I was learning a lot, but I wasn't doing anything. So I wasn't making anything. I wasn't building a business. I was just getting smarter, but broker. And I didn't start to get results until I started to take action. And I recognize that as my turning point. And I want that to be your turning point. So I'm going to incentivize you. I want to incentivize you as an action taker to get off the couch and get going so you can start to reach your goals. So in order to reward you, when you take action now, okay, for the next 15 minutes, I am going to throw in an additional $100 off coupon. That's right, $100 extra. So you get the whole thing for just $197. Now, when you go to the checkout page, you go to Spinzign, www.spinzign.com/bundle. You're going to see that the price is $297. You click on the checkout button, and in the coupon blank, you enter the code SAVE100, SAVE100, and click the apply button, and the price will drop instantly to $197. So if you do it in the next 15 minutes, the coupon will be active. You can go ahead and do that. If you try it and it doesn't work, then, and it's later, you might have missed it. So now is the time to go take action and get this done. Because when you do that, you're going to save an additional $100, get an absolutely ridiculous steal of a deal. So again, what that means is, again, you're getting Spinzign Commercial, $3,650 value. Spinzign Super Upgrade, $4,661 value. Spinzign Video Upgrade, $9,700 value. Spinzign Agency Upgrade, $6,350 value. Spinzign Reseller Upgrade, $10,350 value. The bonuses for every level and a full 30-day money-back guarantee, a total value $34,731 for just $197. So all you have to do is go to www.spinzign.com/bundle to get signed up. And all you're going to do is enter the coupon SAVE100, click the apply button. The price will drop from $297 to $197. Checkout, boom, you're done. You've saved $100. You got the best deal on the planet right now. Okay, so now I'm going to try and answer as many questions. I did see some come through while I was talking. And if you have any other questions, go ahead and enter them in the chat box right now. You can also email them to us at support@spinzign.com or submit a ticket at support.leverage.com and we'll get it answered for you. Okay, if you know you're going to have a question, don't wait to sign up. Go sign up right now, then submit your question. We will be sure to answer it, but I don't want you to miss out on the amazing value. So go to www.spinzign.com/bundle and to get started, and then submit your questions here or to our support desk, and we'll get them answered as quickly as we can. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look and see what we've got for questions. Okay, so here's one. Does the software work on Windows or Mac? It works on both. Okay, the software is actually 100% cloud-based. Okay, so it's going to work on computers. It's going to work on laptops, tablets, and mobiles. It's mobile responsive, so it will adjust to whatever screen size that you're using, and so it will work on whatever kind of device that you've got. Okay, so to get started, go to www.spinzign.com/bundle. Let's see. Are there any monthly fees? Okay, good question. No, there are no monthly fees when you lock in your access now as a charter member. You lock in at the one-time price through this special charter member offer. In the future, we are going to be switching this to a monthly recurring subscription. So now is the time to get in when you get the best value possible and you only pay a one-time investment and that's it. Go to www.spinzign.com/bundle to get started. Let's see here. Can I, this is another good one. Can I add my own logos or graphics to my design? Yes, absolutely. And I'm glad you asked that. Not only can you add your own visual elements, but you can actually use the AI to spin and redesign those also. So you can upload your own, add them to your designs, and then when you go to create new designs and have the software do it for you, even your own stuff that you uploaded can be included in that. And the software will go ahead and make you new designs. So it's super, super awesome. But you can upload logos, any other visual content. Can I post my designs directly to social media? Yes. Okay, so with any design that you can click post, and you can post it now or you can schedule it up to a year in advance. Okay, so you can enter the headline, you can enter the post text, you can add a URL and a link. Choose the design that you want to post, all from right inside the dashboard, and post it. And by the way, you could do this for your clients too with the agency upgrade. So not only can you create designs and charge them for that, but you can also charge them for social media management, because you can create accounts with their socials connected and post directly for them as well and charge them even extra for that. So that's actually a great question. Go to www.spinzign.com/bundle. Does the automatic redesign feature work with my own designs? Absolutely. Okay, so you could start with any template, and that's sort of like the examples that I show you, but that's just because it's easier to start with a template. But you can also create your own or even do a blank canvas and create from scratch. Any design that you create or modify or edit can then be redesigned with the AI. So once you have it the way you want it, you can go ahead and spin 12 new redesigned versions of it in one click. So the redesign feature works with any design on the canvas, whether you created it from scratch, whether you started with a template or whatever. And so, so that is, you 100% can do that. Go to www.spinzign.com/bundle. Looks like we got time for probably one more. Do I need a social media account? No, you don't. You don't need to post your designs directly. Okay, you can just download them and you can use them wherever you want. You can upload them manually to your socials. You can use them on your website, your blog, your podcast, whatever you want. But you can also post directly to social media through the software if you choose to do that. So you don't need social media accounts to use it. It just makes everything else a little bit more automated and simpler for you. So it looks like we've basically run out of time here. I want to, thank you so much for joining me on this. I had a blast sharing with you. I know I went a million miles an hour, but I hope you learned a lot. Go to www.spinzign.com/bundle. You can lock in the special offer. If you still have questions, don't wait to sign up. Go sign up now, and then just email us your question at support@spinzign.com, and we'll be sure to answer it, but I don't want you to miss out on the unlimited access. Go to www.spinzign.com/bundle to get started now. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I look forward to talking to you soon and hearing your success story.